A crude oil tanker arrives at an oil terminal to discharge 84,000 metric tons of crude oil. The chief officer fills the ship shore interface checklist and starts the operation according to the discharge plan. Around midnight, the chief officer encounters problems in pumping cargo from number 4 center cargo tank. He suspects a leak in the dresser coupling on the cargo line inside the tank. He informs the master about the situation. The master, in consultation with the chief officer, decides to send the crew into the tank for repairs. The chief officer checks the tank's atmosphere readings and finds it to be 1% by volume for hydrocarbon gases and 6.5% by volume for oxygen. Engine fitters and chief officer done SCBA and enter the tank. The crew wades through about 30 centimeters
12 inches
of crude remaining in the tank and reaches the coupling. While tightening the coupling, the low-pressure alarms of the SCBA sets ring. The chief officer manages to reach the ladder and he exits the tank. The two fitters die inside the tank due to lack of oxygen. Investigation revealed the following. The crew did not follow the company safety checklist and enclosed space entry permit. The enclosed space entry permit clearly states that the oxygen reading in the compartments should be 21% and the hydrocarbon less than 1% lower flammable limit. A permit was not prepared before entry, but produced at a later stage and entered with ventilation of the tank in progress, diluting the essence and spirit of the enclosed space entry safety checklist and permit. Lessons learned. 1. Company safety checklists should be strictly adhered to. 2. Fictitious entries should never be made just to fulfill the paperwork exercise. 3. Safety should never be compromised despite commercial and operational pressures.